Okay, I have this crazy idea. What if we do a blend? What if we take the Wolf and we fly it around Microtech, and then we take the F-22 and we fly it around Anchorage, and then we do a ship comparison between the L-21 Wolf on Star Citizen and the F-22 Raptor in the real world. I'm gonna do it. Check it out.
Take my hand if you dare to stay. Feel the rush, take my breath away.